Hello! To lock apps on your Xiaomi Poco X7, first of all you have to go into your settings, then scroll all the way down and go into this app category right here. And here all the way down again we have app lock. So we go in here and we have to turn on this function. And now you have to set up a symbol, for example, or you can set up a PIN or password for your app lock. Let's set up the symbol. Press next. And now there use an information to log into the Xiaomi account. You actually don't have to do this because this is the only way to restore your app lock in case you forget it. So in case you are able to forget things, it's better to sign in, but if you will remember your password or symbol for your app lock, you do not have to do it. Alright, and now here's the 98 of the users protect this application. These applications are the applications that are being protected the most. But as you go back and you verify yourself by fingerprint or the face recognition or the password, now you can select all of the different applications to protect from using the app lock. So for example, I want to, protect YouTube from from others, so I simply have to allow this. I turn on the YouTube in here in this app lock, and let's quickly see. Let's go into this YouTube, and as you can see, don't ask again. And as you can see, now the YouTube is protected, and now I have to either enter the password or use the fingerprint or probably the face recognition to get access to the application I have locked. So basically, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.